Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to give you guys a quick update. So I've been on vacation for about a couple weeks and kind of been banging around. Went back down to Florida for a little bit, checked out some things down there to maybe do future episodes on. And checked out Fort DeSoto Beach again. That place is pretty cool. So back up here in New Hampshire and just took a dip in my pool for a little bit. The dogs hopped in too. They swam around the pool. They like swimming around with us. It's kind of funny. And hey, so on my time off, I revamped the channel. We made a new header for it, kind of updated the theme a little bit. So hope you guys are liking that. Same place, just an updated version. It needed a refresh in my opinion. And I think it looks pretty good, so hope you guys are enjoying that. And hey, check out this dog dish I just got off Amazon. This thing's pretty cool. So dogs like to hang out on the deck, and I got this refillable dog bowl on Amazon, and you hook up a garden hose to it, and it has this flexible line, and it feeds into the back, and it's got like a float in it right there. So when the dogs drink the water down, it refills with fresh water for them. They're always out here. We always had like a Tupperware thing, and it would get gross and it would get slimy, and the water would get stale. We'd have to, clean it out. But this refills with fresh water for them, and we can kind of leave it out here all day long. And it came with a little brush too, and you can brush it out so it doesn't get all gross. But if you guys have any questions about this thing, leave a comment, and I'll let you know how we're making out with it. So just doing a quick hit and run with the video. Hope you guys are having fun this summer, and I got some more stuff to do with the boat too, so there'll be some more boat videos on the way, and you guys are gonna enjoy that stuff, I'm sure. Thanks for watching.